Hello, this is Dennis. Thank you for watching K&J Cook DeVoe. Today I was going to try and solve a problem I found with my new camping stove. Got this camping stove from Gas One. This is just the fuel, obviously. And it comes with this very small little burner. It's made out of titanium. Folds all out. Into a little stove top. There's a little gas lever on the side. And to go with that, I got this little cooking set from Red Camp. It comes with a little saucepan, some cleaning, some bowls, and some little bit of fold-out silverware. But the problem I discovered is it sits on there fine as is. If I flip out the handle and there's no weight in the pan, it won't sit on there unless it's really off-centered. And there's tipping hazards. So my plan is take an old coffee can. I'm going to poke some holes in the bottom of it with an old church key can opener. And then I'm going to go around and poke some holes up by the top of it. Then I'm going to take a regular can opener, take the inside rim off of here, and I should be able to set my pans right down inside the can with the burner inside. Okay, so I got all my holes in the top and the bottom made. Now I gotta try and take off this inner lip on the top so my pan will fit down in there. Okay, so we got that out. Next thing to do is see if it worked. Got that all set up. I'll take my burner. Get it going just a little. Get it going in there. Let's see. Success. Windproof, tip-proof. Don't have to worry about my pan sitting around when we go out and try and do some catch and cooks, is why I built this. I'll end this video showing you some pictures of fishing trips I'd like to take this out on. Thank you. Okay, so after I tried this out the first time, I noticed one design flaw. and went and added a hole in the side here so that I can shut it off and turn it on without having to reach down into the hot can. I think that'll make it a little safer for me. Alright, thanks for watching.